Hi students, before first exercise completed, now see this, do this, draw the graph of y equal to 2x plus 5 and second one y equal to 2x minus 5, third one y equal to 2x and find the point of intersection on x-axis. Is the x coordinates of these points also the 0 of the polynomial? See this graph. So first one, see this graph, y equal to 2x minus 5. So first one, y equal to 2x plus 5. So in this graph we want x and y values. So for in graph x axis to y axis will be, for that x and y points, how to find x and y points? First write x, in that x ordinate take any values, means positives, negatives and zeros. First to take minus 3, minus 1, 1, 2.5, minus 2.5. So in that x value, in this y equal to 2x plus 5, substitute we get y value. Means in y equal to 2x plus 5, in that replacing x by minus 3 we get y value. Replacing x by minus 1 we get y value. Replacing x by 1 we get y value, like that. So y equal to, equation y equal to 2x plus 5, that implies 2 into x means minus 3, x plus minus 3, 2 into minus 3 plus 5, 2 3 6, here minus 6 plus 5, what we get? Minus 6 plus 5 minus 1, means y equal to minus 1. Here when x equal means minus 1, put x equal to minus 1. 2 into minus 1, minus 2, plus 5. Minus 2 plus 5 we get 3. So in place of x equal to minus 1, y equal to 3. Put x equal to 1. 2 into 1, 2. 2 plus 5, 7. Next to 2.5. When x equal to 2.5, in this equation, 2 into 2.5, 5. 5 plus 5, we get 10. Next, minus 2.5. Minus 2.5 into 2, minus 5. Minus 5 plus 5, what we get? 0. So now, x comma y. What are x, y? X equal to minus 3, y equal to minus 1. Next, x equal to minus 1, y equal to 3. Means x ordinate, y ordinate. So x1, y 7. Next, when x equal to 2.5, y point 10. Next, x equal to minus 2.5, y equal to 0. Now see this graph. See this graph. Draw x-axis and y-axis. Horizontal line is called x-axis. Vertical line is called y-axis. Means first draw x-axis. So this one draw in middle thick lines. This is x-axis. This is x-axis. Take x. This is x dash. Next, this is horizontal line x-axis. Next, vertical line y-axis. So this is vertical line. This is y-axis. Here y. This is y dash. Horizontal line is called x-axis. Vertical line is called y-axis. So from x-axis, y-axis intersect point is O. From origin to right all positive integers. From origin to left all negative integers. From origin to here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Like from origin to left all negative integers. Here minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6. So like minus 7, like. From origin to up all positive integers, down all negative integers. So negative integers down, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6. Next, upside on positive integers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. From origin to right all positive integers, left all negative integers. From origin to y-axis, top all positive integers. From origin to down all negative integers. From this, so we know that in graph we got x and y ordinates. So x comma y. Here x comma y. First point minus 3 minus 1 means minus 3 c on x axis, minus 1 c on y axis. Minus 3 minus 1. See here. So first one minus 3. This is x axis, minus 3 here. Next point minus 1. C on y axis. Here this is y axis, minus 1. Minus 3 straight minus 1. Here this is minus 3 comma minus 1. This is first point. Next second point minus 1 3. Minus 1 means first C on x axis, minus 1. 3 plus 3 here on y axis. Minus 1 comma 3. This is second point. Next we get 1 comma 7. 1. C on x axis, here 1. 7 means on y axis. This is x axis. First point C on x axis. Second point C on y axis. 1 comma 7. Here 1. Straightly 7 here is there on y axis. 1 straight 7. This is 1 comma 7. Next 2.5 comma 10. 2.5. C on x axis. Here 2.5. Here is there 2.5. 10 on y axis. Here 2.5 straightly here on y axis. Here up to 9 is there. 10 keep. 2.5 straightly here. 2.5 comma 10. This is another point. Next point minus 2.5. C on x axis. Here is there minus 2.5. On y axis 0. 2.5 0 means on x axis. 2.5 minus 2.5 and 0. On y axis 0. This only on x axis point. So these are all points join. Next these are all points join with the scale total. So at least any 3 points also no problem. So these all points join one straight line. Keep arrow symbols. This line is y equal to 2x plus 5. Y equal to 2x plus 5. And this graph completed. Next last step scale want right here. Scale. So what you taken scale on x axis 1 centimeter equal to 1 unit measurement. After on y axis equal to on y axis 1 centimeter equal to 1 unit. So this is graph of y equal to 2x plus 5 and still last step they asking. So result the graph of. So see here where intersect on x axis. On x axis here observe 2.5 means minus 2.5 intersect. On y axis this straight line see here 5. Here 0 comma 5 point intersect and on x axis minus 2.5 comma 0. X point minus 2.5 comma 0. On y axis 5 comma 0 comma 5. On a y axis 5. These two intersects. See here. The graph of y equal to 2x plus 5 cuts the x axis at the point. So where cut at x axis? minus 2.5 comma 0, and the y-axis at the point of 0 comma 5. So x ordinate 0, y ordinate 5. Here x ordinate minus 2.5, y ordinate 0. So these two intersect points. Therefore, the zeros of the polynomial are, so what are two zeros of the polynomial? Minus 2.5 and 5.